In this video, I'm going to show you how to share your screen in Google Meet with sound. So if you want to share your screen as well as the audio playing on your computer, I'm going to show you how we can do that in a couple easy steps. Now, the first thing we're going to do is just click on the share screen button in the bottom navigation, and then you can go and select what you want to share on your screen. Now, if it's a specific tab, you can just go and click on the tab in the top left-hand side. And as long as you have also share tab audio enabled like this will play any audio that's playing from this specific tab. Now, if you want to go and share your entire screen or a piece of audio that's saved on your computer, then what we can do is just close out of this window for a second. You can then go and open up a new tab on your computer and type in file : // You can then type in C : and then press enter. You then need to go and select the folder on your computer that you're trying to play the audio from. So go and click on users. You can then click on user, and from here you'll be able to see all of your documents. So I'm going to click on documents as that's where my video is saved, and mine is this MP4 video here. So I'm simply going to click on this, and you can see that this will open the video in a Google Chrome browser. So now all you need to do is come back over to Google Meet. You can then click on the share screen button once again, and now you can see this MP4 video is showing up in the Chrome tab, and as long as you have share tab audio selected, you can start sharing your screen with the audio playing. So it's as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.